Everyone. This is part 2 of the video here speaks about how to ping from using a Python script by connecting to multiple routers in this case. In the previous video, we had a similar example about using a Python script to just initiate ping by connecting to a single device IP address. In this script, we just go a bit further to look at how we can use the similar script but to log into multiple routers and execute the ping commands and get us the results. So a quick scan of the script here. This is the script. Just named it for the ease of understanding, ping from multiple routers. Like the previous video, I have to import the critical functions from the Python library, the get network driver with which this is going to really work. I have imported the pprint to print the outputs. Also JSON is important. As you may see here, the results of my ping are printed using JSON. The getpass module is pretty much similar to what we've discussed on all the previous videos about prompting the password. So whatever is entered in the password prompt is now stored in the variables and reapplied in the script. Same is the case with the username. It is exactly the same like all the previous videos that we've uploaded on the YouTube channel. Now looking at the devices that I want my ping script to connect and execute the ping, these are the two device IP addresses which will be connected and then the ping would be executed. So we create a for loop wherein for IP in devices, I just print a friendly display saying connecting to the device. And here is the crucial bit. Just define a variable and invoke the get network driver, which is the most important function within this Python script. The device in question that I am executing these ping commands are junos, so I'm using the junos template. And then what happens is I define another variable and I call this junos driver with the host name as IP, where all the IP parameters will be parsed. That is, you can see for IP in device IP. So each of this IP is now taken as an input. The username would take whatever is entered on the username field and the password would take whatever is entered on the password variable. And then what happens here is pretty much self-explanatory like the previous videos. We connect to the router and then we check if it's alive and we run the ping for this particular destination. And then the results are printed in JSON format. Now if I were to run this script by just invoking Python 3 and the script name, it's going to ask me for the username and the password. And you can see it's first connecting to the first device, which is .85, and trying to execute the ping for this destination. And we will see what the results are coming out of it. Likewise, it's trying to connect to the second device that you can see here, and the results are printed out. Now, the interesting bit here is you could see that the ping from the first device, meaning it connected to this device called 85, and then it tried to ping this destination, and we got no response. So it's telling us that from that particular device in question, the ping is not successful. However, when we connect to the second device and we execute a ping for the same destination, we are able to get a response with 5 packets sent, 0 loss, and all the response times. So the full script will be pasted on the description part of this video. You can take it up and manipulate it according to your needs. You can of course include multiple IP addresses on this script. We will be posting another video that talks about rather than using a device IP displayed here within the script, we can create a file that can be referenced and used by the script to ping multiple destination IP addresses instead of one. We will talk about it very soon. Bye for now.